Good morning, you join me again for my go-to station on the West Coast Main Line, which is Carlisle. Our first train of the day is 390020 with 9 like 52 from Edinburgh to London Euston via Birmingham New Street. And I was here 2 weeks ago expecting to see an excursion train, but unfortunately 2 weeks ago it was cancelled. So I'm back here again this week, and this time it is running. So I would really appreciate if you would like to subscribe to my channel, please. It doesn't cost anything at all. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Happy spotting and enjoy the video. So if you're not absolutely subscribed, please like, watch and subscribe to my channel, please. It doesn't cost anything at all. And it's so exciting to see the excursion train today. Hopefully there's not any problems, so happy spotting. Next we have 397004 with 1 Sierra 38, 1 S38 from Manchester Airport to Edinburgh, Carlisle, Lockerbie and Haymarket. Our next one that we have is 66504 with 0 Echo 48, 0 E48 from Carlisle Network Yard to Tyne Sorting Sidings. Next train is 88003 Genesis with 4 Sierra 43, 4 S43 from Daventry to Coatbridge with an Intermodal service. Next we have 390155 with 1 Sierra 42, 1 S42 from London Euston-Glasgow Central. 1 S42, 1 Sierra 42. Railway Benefits Fund. we have 390128 with 9 Sierra 44, 9 S44 from London Euston to Edinburgh, calling a Haymarket in Edinburgh. Nine Sierra 44, 9 S44 from London Euston to Edinburgh. We'll give it a turn at City of Preston. Next we have 156518 with 2 Lima 80, 2 L80 from Carlisle to Dumfries. So 2 L80, 2 Lima 80 from Carlisle to Dumfries. Next we have 397001 with 1 Mike 86, 1 M86 from Glasgow Central to Manchester Airport. Next we have 66108 with 6 Kilo 05, 6 K05 from Carlisle Network Yard to Baseford Hall, It's carrying old sleepers, this one. It's carrying old sleepers. There goes the train that brought in 1 Z45 from Chester to Carlisle, which is now going into the stable inside and a bit further up the line until it returns to its return journey to Chester later on this afternoon. So 34067 will be trailing behind this train in reverse mode. The next one that we have is 70805 with 6 Juliet 37, 6 J 37 from Carlisle Yard to Chirk Chrono Span, and it's the log timber logs, log timbers. Next we have 39009 Treaty of Union departing with 9 Mike 55 9M55 from Glasgow Central to London Euston. Corner, yeah, so it's 9 Mike 55 9M55 from Glasgow Central to the London Euston via Birmingham. It's going by the West Midlands. Next we have 397008 with 1 M75, 1 Mike 75 from Glasgow Central to Liverpool Lime Street. Next we have 390155, which is returning from Glasgow Central back to London Euston. This was the one that we saw earlier as 1 Sierra 42. It is now returning back to London Euston as 1 Mike 13. And it's a real benefit fund again. Next we have 156423 with 2 C56, 2 Charlie 56 from Carlisle to Whitehaven. Next we have 802213 with 1 Sierra 56, 1 S56 from Manchester Airport to Manchester Airport to Edinburgh. Here we have 47826 and 34067. Tangmere arriving back for its charter back to Chester. So this will be propelling one. So this will be propelling the charter again back to Chester. It'll be 1 Zulu 45. Or 1 Zulu 46. It's one of the two. Next we have we have 3467 Tangmere with 1 Z46 1 Zulu 46 from Carlisle to Chester. It is the Dalesman charter train, and we have 47 826 on the rear.
What's some real Smith? Maybe not permanently dead, temporarily dead. Very noisy.
That was really noisy.
I've got more bristles in on the bottom. Nearly. No, see now. See that wheel? No, did you see that wheel? I think now. When the wheel slips, yeah, when it puts too much pressure out and it goes too high. So when they put too much speed out,
Our next train that we have is 66504, which is now returning from Tyne, Salton-Sidon back to Carlisle Network Yard with 6 Mike 47, 6 M47, and this one it looks like it's got sleepers on. Next we have 66702 Blue Lightning with 4S57, 4 Sierra 57 from Hams Hall to Mosan Euro Terminal. So this is our last train of the day today, and it is 4 Sierra 57, 4S 57 from Hams Hall to Mosan Euro Terminal. And this concludes our visit here today. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please like, watch and subscribe to my channel, please. It absolutely doesn't cost a penny at all. And hopefully you enjoy this when it's uploaded. Over and out. See you all later. Bye for now.